In this video, we will compare two popular countertop ice makers, the HiCOZY and the Igloo. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, making them ideal for various settings, from home bars to camping trips. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one stands out. When it comes to pricing, the HiCOZY ice maker is priced at $99 US, while the Igloo model is slightly more affordable at $87 US. This difference in price could influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on features. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities. The HiCOZY can produce ice in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes a bit longer, around 7 to 8 minutes for each batch. If speed is your priority, the HiCOZY has the edge here. Both the HiCOZY and Igloo ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, which is a significant advantage for users who want to maintain hygiene without the hassle of manual cleaning. This feature ensures that your ice remains fresh and free from contaminants. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and Igloo ice makers offer great features for ice production and maintenance. The HiCOZY stands out with its faster ice-making time, while the Igloo provides a more budget-friendly option. Consider your priorities when making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.